Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys all having a great time. In this video, I want to show you how to use white tool and some important tools which is available inside Adobe Illustrator. So when you open your Adobe Illustrator, you can see this artboard with this area. Also in the left, you can find this toolbar which is available with Adobe Illustrator for designing. So here, if you click at this white tool, you can see we have this wrap tool, Twirl tool, Pucker tool, Bloat tool, Scallop tool, Crystallize tool, and we have the Wrinkle tool. So here I'm going to show you how we can use these tools with Adobe Illustrator. So first we need to draw a shape. I'm going to press Alt and Shift on the keyboard, and here I'm going to drag this shape and I'm going to select a color. Here when I click at the selection tool, I'm going to move it here. So here you can see we have this white tool available. If we click here, if we click at the points here, you can see that we can actually do nothing with this tool, because white tool is only able to use with the lines and also with other shapes. Let me move this here. Let me draw a rectangle shape here. If I draw this rectangle shape and I go to my white tool, you can see I can't actually move this too. So if I press this Alt, and I can only able to move this, but I can't actually do anything here. Let me draw a pen tool here, a line. So I'm going to press Shift for a straight line. So here I'm going to add a stroke to this line. So here I can select different uniform or white available lines for my this line on artboard. So I'm going to select this one. So here I'm going to increase the stroke as well. So whenever you click on the white tool, you'll be able to actually move this. Here you can see I can move this from, if I actually grab this and I move this line going to be bigger. And also if I want to do from this portion, I can actually move my lines as well. So this white tool is mostly used with the stroke. So if you can do it like this. If you move it, you can actually move your lines. You can make it like this if you want to. So here from these handles I can move it down, or I can move up, or you can actually increase from here as well. Also you can see I can move it anywhere. So from this upper part I can have the second handles which I can move it over here. You can see that I can actually move my lines, but this is still a stroke. So this is not this is only one and two parts available. So this is not a complete shape, this is only a line. So whenever you want to convert this, you need to go to this object, click on expand appearance, then this is going to convert all these corners to points or part. Here now you know that we can use a white tool for the lines. Here we have this wrap tool. So how we can use this, you can see we have this Shift plus R as well for this wrap tool. So if I click here, you can see now it's too big. So if we want to change the size of this wrap tool, so we press alt and shift and we scroll inside, or you can scroll outside. So it's going to, if you scroll, if you zoom in, not only scroll, this is kind of a scroll, I think you can say that, but still you can actually move this, you can actually make it big, you can scroll this inside or up by pressing alt and shift. So here if I want to draw my shape, so I'm going to use this. Here you can see I can move my shape from one place to another place, and also if I press the alt only, I can actually resize this like this. We can actually free transform it like this, and also we can move it like here like this as well. So if I want to move my shape, you can see I can actually mess around with my shape with this style. So here I actually can press the alt and shift to scale this as well. So here you can actually scale this, you can make the size. You can see if you scroll and pressing alt of shift, then the size is going to be decreased. I can actually move it, my shape, anywhere that I want. When you actually move your shape, here you can see the points actually creating with your shape. So if I move it, the shape's actually moving along with this tool. So here let me go with this Twirl tool. So now the Twirl, when we click on the Twirl tool, so here we can press alt and shift, so we can scale this, and also you can see the twirl is actually twirling this shape. So we can actually twirl our shape, we're using this tool. So let me delete this so we can practice on this one. So here we have this poker tool. So if you select this one, the same thing we can do for this as well. So here you can see if I press the alt or first or the right click on the mouse, so here you can see I can move my shape anywhere I want using this tool. So you have to practice with these tools. So if you want to actually convert your shapes to give it a new look, so here you can use this tool. Here we have this Bloat tool, so I'm going to select this one and let me make this. Here you can see this Bloat tool is actually increasing size of these shapes here. So here this tool, this is kind of a cloud version. So here I can use this. So if I want to add a shape inside, so here if I resize or scale this, so here you can see I actually move my shape where that I want to actually move it. So here you can see. And also let me show you this Scallop tool, how we can use this. So here let me delete this shape. I'm going to make another rectangle here. Here I'm going with this Scallop tool. The same thing we can do with this as well. So here I'm going to press alt, so I'm going to make a circle or something. Here you can see we can move this shape like this lines I can add to my shape. So also we have this Crystallize tool. Let me delete this one and I'm going to add another rectangle here on the artboard. Here we have this Crystallize. So here you can see when I click on each portion of this shape, this is going to actually, the size is actually you can see the lines actually added on the rectangle. So here let me delete this and show you the last tool which is available with these amazing tools with Adobe Illustrator, this Wrinkle tool. So wrinkle is going to give you a wrinkle to your shape. So I'm going to scale this so I can show you here. You can see this small lines that's creating here. This is the wrinkle is actually going to add a wrinkle. So this wrinkle can help you a lot in making your shape for your design. So here you can see this is made by wrinkle, so I can use it for my poster, I can use it anywhere. So this is how you can use these tools with Adobe Illustrator, and you are going to experience these all tools that when I'm going to design something very creative in my channel. So if you followed my channel already, so you can have this idea that how I'm designing. So this in this channel you can find all professional tutorial regarding graphic designing. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and this video, and please let me know if you have any question regarding these tools, and if you want to learn graphic design professionally, so follow our channel, subscribe to the channel, and also press the bell icon on the subscribe button as well. See you guys until next video.